Hi friends, today we're going to do math lesson module 5, lesson 7, objective. Model and write numbers 10 to 20 as number bonds. Our number bonds are coming back so that we can work with our teen numbers inside of number bonds. So if you want, grab a pencil, paper, your number bond, your whiteboard, whatever you want to use for the lesson today. Let's go. All right, we're gonna play a game first called Dot Cards of 8. I will show you the card. You will tell me how many dots you see and the two parts you see them in. So let's take a look. Remember, it's dot cards to 8. Good, so we see 8 dots. I made an imaginary line. How do we see them in two parts? 2, 6. Good, so we can say 8 is the same as 2 and 6. That's what it makes. Good. Let's do this one. How can we break these up into two parts? I like that. So let's try this one. We're going to do 3 and how many on this side? 5. 8 is the same as 3 and 5. Put them together, you make 8. Good job. And last one. Take a look at my picture. How can we split them? Yes, we can. So we're going to have 4 and 4 makes 8. Good job. 8 is the same as 4 and 4. All right, we're going to play a counting game, and if you don't have a parent or a sibling nearby, that's okay. You don't have to have them. But if you do, bring them over and we're going to count their fingers together. Or you could use your toes to count. So we're going to try to count to 20 with all of our digits. So we're going to start with our pinky. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it out, and we're gonna start from 10 and keep going to 20. 11, or you can count on a friend's hand or your toes. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. Flash 2 times. You've got 10 plus 10 equals 20. All right, we're going to play a game called Decompose Teen Numbers. We will say each number I make the regular way and the say 10 way. So 10, 0. What number did we make? 10. 10, 1, 11. 10, 2, 12. What would this one be? 10, 3. Good. Say 10, 3, 13. Say 10, 4, 14. Good. Oh, mixing it up. 10, 9, 19. 10, 8, 18. 10, 7, 17. 10, 6, 16. And 10, 5, 15. Well done, friends. Donovan drew 10 smiley faces and 5 smiley faces. He put them together and had 15 smiley faces. Draw the 15 smiley faces on your board or paper. So I'm going to get out 2 colors. I'm going to do 10 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to do 5 more on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. Go ahead and flash me 10. 10 and 5 makes 15. We can slide that up with our hide 0 cards. Great job. All right, friends, we're going to explore the concept using our number bond tool. So right here, we have our hide 0 cards. It's showing us that we have 10 and we have 5 more, just like we did on the last problem. So what our job is to fill in the number bond. So what are the 2 parts that you see looking at these numbers? And we can also draw a picture to help. So we've got inside this one of our parts is 10. Good. And the other part is 5. 10, 5 makes what is the whole in our number bond? 15. Good. So we're going to try and fill that in. Let me make sure I only have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't need these guys. All right, so now that we've got our counters to match our problem, we're going to write our numbers inside our number bond. So write the number 10 for one part, the number 5 for the other part. And this is just like our hide zero cards, and it helps us to break down big team numbers. You just did a number bond for the number 15. That's awesome, friends. 10, 5 makes 15. All right. We are going to do one more number. See if you can do this number on your board. 10, 3. What would your number bond look like? You can use drawings to help you. You can count on 10, 11, 12, 13. I put up 3 as the other part. Great. So what would our whole be? 13. What's one of our parts? 10. And the other part? 3. Great job. You can keep practicing this same setup with different team numbers. All right, friends, we are going to build our number bonds just like we did before. We're going to put the whole at the top and the parts at the bottom. All of your number bonds are lined up exactly the same way today. Easy peasy. What is the whole? Oh, it's not 10. Let's start with our parts and see if we can figure out the whole. What is one of our parts? I'll circle it for you. What's inside of this circle? 10. Good. What's the other part? 1. Good. So now we're going to add those up so we can flash our fingers. 10, 1, 10, and one more is 11. Good. You're counting up and you're building that team number. Good job. Let's do this one over here. What are the parts? 10 and 2. And what do they make together? The number 12. Good job. Let's do one more down here with the dots. How many dots do you see on this 10 frame? 10. Easy peasy. It's all filled in. And how many do you see on this 10 frame? 3. Good. And all together that makes 13. We're counting up with our team numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13. Great work. All right, friends, here's our last problem. See if you can make a number bond for 12 using 10 as one of the parts. So you can use your numbers, you can draw a picture. Just fill in that number bond for 12. Good. If we're filling in the number bond for 12, what is our whole? 12. What is one of our parts? Look over here if you need help. 10. And what is the other part? 2. And what would we say for this? 10, 2, 12. We can also write a number sentence. Challenge yourself, friends. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Well done. Thanks for joining me.